Alright, quick recap. Yesterday, I was looking on YouTube and I typed in space battles, and I realized that there's only a little bit. There's like such as Endgame, Star Wars, or Halo. There's like little space battles. Then I looked and I found that there was only one video of a drawing of space battles. So I thought, why not? I should do my own series of just drawing space battles. I mean, that sounds okay enough. So why don't we just get our pencil like this and let's get into it. Okay, this chair is gonna creak, so don't really mind it that much, but I'm not really that professional. But let's start drawing a space battle. So I didn't really think of this furthermore, but let's have some shapes, shall we? Like, start with a circle. Can't really see that circle because I'm drawing faded. I'm gonna draw darker when I start getting the hang of it. Something like that. Something like this? I mean, that seems like a good spaceship, right? I mean, let's cover that up. Yeah, that seems like a good spaceship, but let me draw a general structure. How it's gonna look like. Seems good enough, right? I mean, yeah, we're probably gonna go with that for like a spaceship, I guess. Like, let's say that's like a Corvette or something. So let's get into this. I mean, this may not be professional as like others, but oh god, this may not be as good as like other people who make art. But remember, I'm just sitting here with a pencil and a notebook. Like, I'm not here with like a $1,000 pencil case or like a fucking paint, whatever. I have paint, but I'm not painting this. Nah, I'd rather waste lead and some paper, right? Like, come on, ain't nobody out here gonna afford that much just for a video that's gonna make 50 views in a month. I mean, ain't nobody about that. So I spent 2 minutes already. Holy shit. Okay, we got a structure going. We got a structure going. Let's draw another structure, like another spaceship coming in. Let's draw this one. Let's have this guy a little. Let's have this little guy have a buddy. Let's have him have a buddy. Now, just be aware that I am copying off this little spaceship over here, so I can kind of make it a blend. Like, you know, this guy is actually the same ally as. This guy is the same ship as, you know, that spaceship or this spaceship. So I don't get mixed up anymore. Oh my fucking god, I'm already messing up on this. I shouldn't really worry about this, like, shape-wise, but... But, oh my god, I blanked out there. I'm like, I'm not professional. So we got 3 structures. Let's draw another one of these Corvettes over here. Let's make him, like, you know, go side by side with, like, an enemy over here. I decided to do my own, like, you know, space art, since I realized that everybody else here is not doing space art, and I wish people actually did, you know, draw their own art of like spaceships, but I guess it's not even like possible. But I don't know. I guess people just don't have the time to like draw a space battle that's happening, you know, midway. But I'm gonna try and make this as good as possible, so I don't do any sort of like mess ups or anything there. But you got your 3 spaceships, right? Okay. I'm making this like a third eye view, like on top instead of like on the side. Because it's not on top, you know, you can draw more than on the side, which is like up and down, you know. Because I don't do 3D drawings. I'm not good at 3D drawings. I should get good, but I don't feel like getting good. So we got a destroyer. We got some Corvettes, I guess, over here, and we're gonna, I don't know, draw like, let's just say these are like a weird elf species versus like, I don't know, like elf spaceships versus like some sort of blocky kind of spaceships. I don't know what kind of blocky spaceships I'm trying to create here, but these ones are more simpler. I should give these guys like some shape, shall I? I mean, ain't nothing too hard of giving these guys some shape, right? I mean, nah, this is way too how do you call it? Way too much of a one big object. Yeah, it should make its own. It should be its own character, basically. But I don't know. I just decided to draw something simple yet not too like wicked. Because I feel like if I draw something wicked, I'm gonna waste so much time. So, oh my god, this is way too small. I mean, I already got a general structure down. So. Let's say this is like I don't know, dark elves versus I don't know, like space elves versus like something else that's over here. But let's just draw him, I guess. This camera's quality is good, but yeah, at the same time bad. But who cares, right? I'm just here doing what I can and the best I can. So let's draw another dude over here. I decided to go with like something simple to make, yet like something unique. So I decided to draw some like spaceships over here, unique compared to like others over here. Let's say there's like an army going on over here that's like that just wastes materials mostly on corvettes, not wicked destroyers and stuff, because destroyers are way too expensive. In the real world, a destroyer is way more expensive than a corvette, but a destroyer carries better weapons than a corvette does. So corvettes are not good when it comes to fighting like a battleship. Like to say if you have 100 corvettes, like half of them are gonna survive, but that one battleship costs like less than what those 50 went through. But I don't know. This is just for art. I'm not trying to get into some wicked details. Let's draw on like let's draw on like some sort of weird. These guys over here use what U.S. military uses. You know, like corvettes, battleships, cruisers. I'm just gonna draw them. Over here, something called the Queen ship. I guess that's what you could say. The Queen ship sheems. The fuck. The Queen ship seems to be the better part in this world, because without it, I think the others can't really survive. Since I'm thinking the Queen ship should be like some sort of weird, like, overseer in this. Like, if it goes down, all the other ships, like, disable because there's, like, no connections between the Queen ship and, like, others. But let's draw another corvette, shall I? Because the space elves, I guess, aren't really liking the fact that they're being outnumbered. Yeah, bear with me here. I'm not the best drawer ever. I'll probably be the best drawer in about 2 years, but just got to deal with what I got here. Because I'm just sitting here with a pencil, paper, drawing the best whatever I can on just paper and pencil. So there we go. We got some good structures. We got some good ships. We got 3. I don't know what do you call these ones? Warrior drones. We got a Queen ship. We got some corvettes. We got some destroyers going over here. This destroyer over here seems more skinnier than this one over here. Well, that's because I can't really image the shape as I want it to. So we got that going. We should have some like little ships fighting. Or better yet, we should have like a weird. I just cut out. Okay, we should have like this weird, I don't know, structure over here that houses not only warships but something that keeps. It's really looking thick. I don't know what the hell that was. Just deal with it, I guess. So let's have these little guys over here. Let's draw in a little bit of a. I don't know. That's too small. Let's draw. Looks too small. We got a little drone over there. We should draw some more drones, but right now I'm gonna detailize it later because I don't think I have time. So I just drew like some weird spaceships. I like drew a cruiser over here, some destroyers, some corvettes, 2 corvettes, 2 destroyers, 1 cruiser. Got 3 of these. I should draw on like another drone warrior drone. So yeah, I should say these space elves are fighting like some sort of weird bug race that just like controls not very clean, but not very clean society, but a more of like an industrial society. So they're fighting for resources basically. So we got 4 warrior drones fighting 2 corvettes, 2 destroyers, and we got a queen ship. Got a queen ship over here. We got a this. It's different on camera. So we should draw something over here that like symbolizes that this over here should be like a transporter. Like over here should be like some sort of weird. Like this one over here should be the thing that carries the little drones, I should say. Is my big head in a way? No, it isn't. Good, I was about to say. Okay, so I guess each one should like carry 8 of these, I guess. Just 4. I'll draw it when I'm done, just right now. I don't think I have the time, so it's 2, 4, 6, 8, and I guess this over here will carry like, let's say, I don't know, 5 pilots, because these are like, you know, mini drones. There you go. I would draw more. I should draw more, but I don't feel like drawing more. If y'all know what I'm, you know, saying, like, I would draw more, but right now it's just like not the time to like get into any more. Oh god, it's like Nemo's little deformed fin. I laugh at my own jokes. No one else laughs with me. All right, so we got ourselves some sort of weird battle going on here, I guess you could say. Like there's some sort of weird thing going on here. Like we got a transport over here. I mean, got some more things. We got some destroyers over here that can do some damage, stuff like that. I'll add in some more details just right now. I should add more details. I will be back. I guess I'll be back. Hold on. So, I got done with the detailing, so you can tell I went a little overboard with like the drones, but I realized that the drones shouldn't be just like fighters such as the elves, but the drones should be like missiles, so they like fly into ships, you know, just like go straight through them and stuff like that. You know, they'll do their deeds. I got this little like thing going on over here because I'm gonna like draw like him blasting one of these warrior drones. We got a carrier drone that carries all these missile drones that like go in and blast, you know, like these guys, or they got two little drones that like protected from these guys coming in and pew, and like they just fly into him, kaboom, it's done with. So I got this going on, and I'm about to draw it if I can find my pencil crayons again. God damn it, why do I keep on forgetting my pencil crayons again? Hold up! Found them. So, I got these going on. Now I'm thinking, what colors should I use? I mean, I should use white, which is useless. I'm not using that. I'm gonna use gray for like the little hull parts instead of the armor. But I'm thinking I should go with the I think I should go with the brown for these guys. Like a good fashion brown for them. I should go with the brown for the bugs and the white for the elves, so they can like, you know, I guess fight. I guess no, not fight. I am seriously talking unironically, but I got this color. I'm getting the blue for the I'm getting the blue for them. I'm getting the blue for the elves. And I'm getting orange for the bugs. So I will be back when everything is done drawn. I am done with my art. As you can see, I have drawn. I should cover this just in case. Yeah, you can see that I have covered this entire place with blue, and you can see the brown that the bugs have, and the you can see the brown that the bugs have, and then the white that the elves have, and then you can see the blue space in the background with all the the brown drones running around. So you can see them like going side by side like some boats back in 1700 shooting each other right there. You can see like the blue lasers that the elves have and the orange lasers that the bugs have. It's just a really cool thing I thought would be, you know, cool to put it. Well, I guess that'll be it for today. If you guys want to see more of this, just make sure to like and subscribe. That's everything, I guess, and hope you guys enjoy this video and the videos that will come in the future. But until then, I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye.